Oh, really? We're here waiting.
Yeah, I'm trying to get to you. I'm going through the, what's this guy doing? All the roads over there to where you are, it's all jammed. People waiting for people to move. And now I'm okay.
Okay, bye.
Okay.
Bye.
So you had a fun time there, did you?
Yeah. I was the last one.
We can back later again today, okay?
Today?
It's all about humanity.
Alan says he'll take Cody back.
No. I also got it.
Who won that?
Me.
What'd you play?
I just bought it.
Here. Next time, anak, the roller coaster, huh? Next time. Hey, he's not well, I think
It's crazy. It's crazy trying to get through here.
But they don't open because
It's crazy. It's been like this all day.
yeah.
It's all about humanity.
If this Jeep is trying to park into that spot, I think only a motorcycle could fit into it.
It's all about humanity.
What all did y'all ride?
Roller coaster, the bumper cars, this new octopus thing.
That crazy thing that spins you up and around, swings you all around?
That one too.
No, you have.
Then we just played arcade.
Well, we're in.
Then we played laser tag, which was probably my favorite.
This is how it's been all day long, sweetheart. And after this guy parks, there's somebody coming up this way, and there's not going to be enough room for him to get by.
It's all about humanity.
Yeah, we can't do this on
Because you got people parked all out here into the middle of the street. I might as well just let you guys out and go ride some more before I get out here.
I'm
It's all about humanity.
I'm really set down.
This girl's waiting for that guy to go around. There's no room to go around. And what's he going to do when he gets up here? There's no room here.
But that truck, the one coming, they did not even move.
Isn't this a one way and they're not allowed to do something?
Why don't you just
I can't. I see 3 cars behind me.
No, the car is coming.
No. Is there? Maybe there's cars behind him. I can't see.
See, look, nobody's behind him.
I don't know. I guess maybe there is. I don't know.
Nobody. The other truck,
I don't know. I think the guys behind us are trying to back up. Maybe. That one guy's got his head hanging out the window looking backwards. Or
It's
was
all
looking
about
backwards.
humanity.
I don't know. I should have kept going straight. This is the wrong one to turn down. I got my reverse lights on. If I wait here, I'm going to be here still forever.
It's all about humanity.
I think those guys are just going to sit there for the rest of the night.
because they're not moving. Because the other one there, the van is backing up.
Well, I still got my backup lights on. See if this car here backs up too. If not, we're just gonna sit here
Yeah.
I'll back up. Give him a hint. You can't come around me. There's not enough room. You're gonna have to back up. Otherwise, we're just gonna sit here. We're trapped. I'm glad I got the gas filled up for me.
Behind that truck that's coming, the one is backing up. It's still there.
I don't know. This is the craziest thing.
It's all about humanity. About humanity.
What? What do you want?
About
Oh, next time.
You probably should go out and ride a roller coaster by the time I get out of the parking lot.
humanity.
I'm still sitting here in reverse with my reverse lights on.
About
No, they're gonna have to back up.
It's all about humanity.
Otherwise,
We're literally trapped here.
we're gonna be here all day. I feel like I'm here all day, just like you.
There's no one behind that car. Yeah. Just back up.
Now this guy's backing up. Come on, buddy.
God, the car in front. The SUV is stupid. Not this one in front of us. Don't try it. Don't try it.
I don't think
You're not
me and that
going
big
to.
Chevrolet's gonna fit.
You're not going to. Okay. Somehow.
I would still prefer to back up. There's not enough room for that big Chevrolet to come in. That Honda's gonna have a hard time to back up if we want to back up.
Next time, anak.
It's all about humanity.
I'm ready to back up.
About humanity.
You see I'm already backed up.
No, anak, no, anak.
About
Okay, now they're starting to back up behind us.
It's all about humanity.
Of course, they can't back up because there's a line of traffic trying to get out.
About humanity. About It's all about humanity.
This guy can't come around me. He's way too big.
Yeah. If he go on the side, maybe we can pass and then.
No, because that car's sticking out too far. There's not enough room. Okay, they're backing up. He's going forward. Okay, that guy's gone.
He's going home.
Hopefully we can get out this way. This is the problem I was having even getting to you guys, because everybody stopped waiting for somebody to pull out, and you can't get past them.
It's all about humanity.
It's what they call gridlock. Gridlock.
Gridlock?
Yeah. It means everything's all congested. You can't move anywhere.
About
And maybe those guys can't move until these guys move. Now nobody's gonna move.
What are you looking?
Well, this guy's looking out the window. It's like, what's going on?
It's all about humanity.
Oh, don't tell me he wants to turn left. He ain't gonna make it. Buddy, if you try to go that way, you're not gonna make it. This is definitely going into a video. He needs to back out. You're not gonna make it that way. There's not enough room for you guys. They're too big.
No, not going.
Follow me out. But I'm still waiting to get out. Oh, there's no way he's going to be able to. There's no way you're going to get past that big Chevrolet. And there's no way to. Oh, y'all are just gridlocked.
He really wants to go. Oh, he's gonna back up because there's coming. Because there's coming.
That poor guy in the Chevrolet. He's like he's been screwed. Now what you gonna do? Now he's gonna back up like. Oh boy.
It's all about humanity.
I don't want to sit here for another half hour.
Yeah, they close in 15 minutes.
Yeah.
He back up.
Oh my god, that truck is so stupid.
Oh, the Dodge truck? Oh yeah, I see him in the mirror.
Man. He backed out so fast.
Oh, don't tell me you're gonna try to get in there, buddy. Oh no, now we're gonna have to wait for this guy.
Why is everyone reversing into there?
I don't know, that's the worst way to park out. It's the most dangerous way to park.
I'm never parking like that unless I have a backup camera. Unless I have a Tesla.
Even then, with the backup camera, it's dangerous to park that way.
I want a Tesla to do it because I have sensors and everything.
Because you cannot see and maneuver as easily going backwards as you can
About
forwards.
humanity.
He's a tight fit in there too. You want some pizza? Is this a pizza delivery guy walking down another street?
I have pizza for sitting there.
Alright.
Finally.
That was a long time to get out of the parking lot. Woo!
Freedom!
Parking wars!